Matt Miller.
What? Oh, it keeps so good. Oh, it's no, stop it. I was snoring. It was snoring, snoring. I was snoring a little bit. It seemed like a snoring, snoring. I know stop. I was snoring, snoring. It was snoring. Oh, two old people walking. Oh, the intimacy is so increased. That family harmony that run next to a pretty lady. How nice. Oh, coming out of the mouth a little bit, put the chin strap. Coming out of the nose, way better out of the nose. That's better breathing. Give you a hug, kiss on the ear. Look at that breathing. So much better. I know about the snoring. Oh, in the face, like in the bed. Oh, I was snoring so bad. Oh, snoring. Oh, look at open the band. Close the band. Oh, I'm so old. I gotta wear this band, so I got no snoring. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm the lady in the bed. Oh, look at me. Put the band on my face. No snow. I'll give you a little kiss on the cheek. A little kiss for you on the cheek is the band. Oh, how nice. Oh, no. No snoring? That's good. That's way better. There's no snoring. Oh, put it on your face just like this around your ear. Lie down. Oh, so happy with your wife there. She's so happy to be with you. Oh, I'm reading the paper. What are you gonna do? Give me a little smooch? Yeah, this is a smooch. No, it's no one. Oh, how nice. What are you doing? Drinking a coffee? I'm drinking a coffee. Oh, we both not snoring. Put it on my face again. I did this earlier, but I did it again now. Open the band, double the band, stop, double the snoring. You won't snore twice as loud because the band will be open. Well, put it on your face just like that next to your wife. You gotta stop that snoring. It's gonna be nice. Nice for you and your wife.